So proud of our tree crew here today. As you can see, the sunlight is still out. And we finished. Those in the background or across the street, point that out. No windows were broken. No property here at the place was damaged. We finished all today. We're cleaning up on the inside here in Sherman Oaks. Now the wind can pass through. A lot of these Washingtonians like to drop a lot of seeds, but they're clean, especially by the pool. So, this is the finished product.
Tree Doctor Service Incorporated. Trusted tree care. Available 24/7. Call 818-808-7670 today.